there, a certain family? Let's raise a virtual toast to 2023. A year etched in our hearts, not with dry charts, but with the vibrant colors of growth, innovation, and the spirit that makes us, well, us. Remember the fuel that propelled us forward? Work for yourself, not for the company. This year, it wasn't just a tagline, it was the fuel that ignited our journey. We empowered individuals, and guess what? They did something amazing. They soared. Speaking of reaching new heights, a certain soared too, expanding our global presence across Malaysia, Singapore, India, and the UAE. Just as we successfully onboarded over 100 new clients and forged collaborations with 5 leading investment banks and financial institutions. Let's take a moment to marvel at our global footprint. But Acerton isn't just about internal combustion, it's about external bursts of energy. Remember the power of process automation where we championed tech in education? Or the adrenaline rush of the Ringgit Pay Payment Summit where we held court with industry giants? Whoa! And let's not forget the Electrifying MDX 2023 event where we showcase our innovative cloud banking solutions for capital market clients and transaction banking, leaving a lasting impression on a global stage. These weren't just milestones, they were turbochargers for our growth. Beyond the big stages, our offices were hypes of vibrant life. Diwali lights twinkled with laughter, Finfo's new space buzzed with the fresh energy of our 220 excellent professionals, and Seed and Soil blossomed, nurturing the minds of young kids with the power of education. Every high five, every child's inspired smile, these are the threads that weave the Acerton tapestry where work and life dance hand in hand, and where we strive to empower the society we live in. As we turn the page on 2023, we don't just count milestones, we celebrate the connections forged, the challenges overcome, and the unwavering spirit of innovation that burns bright within Acerton. Here's to Ringgit Pay crossing 1 million active users, Finforce taking fintech across borders, and Seed and Soil leaving a lasting impact on young minds. And most importantly, here's to Acerton, the vibrant forge where cutting-edge technology is shaped into innovative fintech solutions that simplify banking and empower people around the world. And before we toast to the future, let's raise a glass to the incredible people who made it all possible. To our cherished customers who have trusted us for 15 remarkable years, thank you for being the wind beneath our wings, the fuel in our engines, the reason we strive to constantly innovate and simplify banking. You are the heart of our journey, and we are eternally grateful for your unwavering support. And now, a special spotlight on the very heart and soul of Acerton, our visionary leader, Mr. Ratna, founder and CEO of Acerton Group of Companies. Thank you, Mr. Ratna, for nurturing an environment that thrives on growth and innovation. You laid the foundation, and we built upon it together. Let's also extend our gratitude to Mr. Nada and Mr. Ram and our people. Let's give a standing ovation to the visionaries who guide us, the architects of our code, the maestros of client relationships, the guardians of our culture, and every single one who wears the Acerton badge with pride. Their vision, expertise, and contributions make our company great. But Acerton wouldn't be the same without the symphony of talent that forms our backbone. From the tireless coders to the brilliant marketers, the cheerful customer service heroes to the meticulous analysts, each face, each smile, each shared idea is a vital note in our Acerton melody. So, here's to 2024, a year etched in starlight, a canvas yet untouched. May our code sing with the precision of a well-known algorithm, our solutions simplify lives like magic spells, and our impact ripple out like a stone dropped in a pond of possibility. And most importantly, here's a big heartfelt thank you to everyone who has been a part of this incredible journey. Together, let's make 2024 a year that shines brighter.